Ready to unlock a world of trading possibilities by moving your USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance? First, open your Binance app and tap on Wallets located at the bottom right corner of your screen. This is where all your digital assets are stored. Next, select Deposit Now. You'll need to specify which cryptocurrency you're depositing in the search bar. Type USDT and select Tether USDT from the list. This is crucial. Choose the correct network. Tonkeeper likely supports either the Turk20 or BEP20 network for USDT transfers. Select the network compatible with Tonkeeper. Selecting the wrong network could result in losing your funds. I will be selecting TRC20. Binance will now generate a USDT deposit address. You'll see both a long string of characters and a QR code. Copy this address. It's your unique identifier for receiving USDT on Binance. Now switch over to your Tonkeeper app, tap Send. Then paste the Binance deposit address you just copied into the recipient address field. Double-check this address again to make sure it is correct before sending the funds. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Review all the details one last time, ensuring the address, amount, and network are correct. Then, confirm the transaction within Tonkeeper. The transaction will now be processed on the blockchain. This usually takes a few minutes. You can monitor the progress in your Binance transaction history. Once confirmed, your USDT will appear in your Binance wallet, ready for trading and investment. Now you can confidently leverage the power of both Tonkeeper and Binance.